Yo, it's Blocks, and in this video, I'm going to show you like the reloading of this knockoff Nerf gun, or this Nerf gun. So, like, it's a hunting rifle Nerf gun. It's fake, obviously, but the kickback is real. It's not real kickback, but like, look at this. Ooh, it took a long time. But I'll show that in like real time so you guys can see it. I hit that. Alright. Now I will show the bloopers for this video. Well, not like really bloopers. It's just my first 3 attempts on making this video. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me reload and shoot this Nerf gun. I think it's a Nerf gun. I'm not sure if it's a knockoff or if or if it's really just a Nerf gun. Alright, see you guys in the next video, and like, which will come out in like 7 months.